Welcome back, traders and investors. Today, we're diving into some thrilling news, the Sharekhan Study Program. This exciting educational initiative is designed for every kind of trader, from the greenest newbie to the most experienced veteran. The program offers a wealth of knowledge tailored to your needs and experience level, helping you navigate the volatile world of trading with confidence and precision. But here's where it gets really interesting. The Sharekhan Study Program isn't just an investment in your future, it's an investment that pays you back. That's right, you get your entire fee returned as brokerage returns within a year. It's a one-of-a-kind opportunity to broaden your trading horizons, sharpen your skills, and potentially see a return on your investment. So you're not just learning, you're earning too. That's right. Invest in knowledge that lasts a lifetime and get your fee back as brokerage returns. Now, that's a win-win. You may ask, what's in the study program? Well, let me break it down for you. Imagine a full year of live or recorded sessions carefully curated to offer you the best of the trading world. We're talking about a treasure trove of insights and strategies designed to take your trading game to the next level. But it doesn't stop there. At the heart of the study program is the belief that continuous support is key to success. That's why we offer dedicated support throughout your journey. You'll have access to a team of seasoned professionals who are ready to guide you, answer your queries, and provide timely advice. And let's not forget the practical aspect of it all. Yes, we've got theory covered, but we also ensure you get hands-on experience. Real-time market analysis, trade execution, portfolio management, you name it, we've got it. And the cherry on top? You might be thinking, all this comes with a hefty price tag. But here's the kicker. Not only is the program cost-effective, but you also stand a chance to get your entire fee back as brokerage returns within a year. So, there you have it. A comprehensive, practical, and supportive learning environment that's aimed at empowering you to navigate the trading landscape with confidence and ease. With us, you're not alone in your trading journey. We've got your back. We understand commitment, and we're here to offer you risk-free learning. At Sharekhan, we believe that your satisfaction should never be a gamble. That's why we've created a solid safety net for you. Not happy with the program within the first 8 days? No problem. We'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. We're that confident in the value we provide, and we want you to feel the same confidence in us. We stand behind our program and each one of you, our valued learners. So you see, when you choose the study program, you're not just investing in your knowledge. You're also investing in a partnership that values your trust, your journey, and your success above all else. And remember, with Sharekhan, it's more than just learning. It's learning without the risk. It's risk-free learning, my friends. We believe in our program and we believe in you. It's your chance to invest in yourself, enhance your skills, and potentially get your feedback as brokerage returns. Imagine stepping into the world of trading with an arsenal of knowledge at your disposal. That's what the Sharekhan Study Program offers. A platform that empowers you to learn, grow, and thrive in the dynamic realm of finance. This isn't just about learning the ropes, it's about mastering them. The program is meticulously designed to equip you with indispensable trading strategies, insightful market analysis, and the confidence to navigate the financial landscape with ease. The Sharekhan Study Program isn't just a course, it's a journey. A journey where you're not alone. With dedicated support throughout, we ensure that every question is answered, every doubt clarified. You're not just a student here, you're part of the Sharekhan community. And let's not forget the cherry on top, the potential to get your entire fee back as brokerage returns within a year. It's a commitment to you, to your growth, your satisfaction, and your success. So why wait? Why let this golden opportunity pass? This is more than just an investment in a course, it's an investment in you. It's about seizing the moment, embracing the journey, and charting a path to success.